Hello friends, I am Dr. Kuber from Pune City, Maharashtra, and today I am going to talk about a very important subject that is called as the normal foreskin but problems in sex life. This is very important. Many patients have normal foreskin, they don't have any issues, and the skin is easily going back and forth, and they don't have any issues of phimosis, paraphimosis like that, but still their sex life suffers a lot because of a very minor problem but a treatable problem, and which can be easily treated. That problem is some people have a long foreskin, and those patients who don't have phimosis, that can easily go back and forth. But when the skin is retracted behind the glans penis, it makes a bunch behind the glans penis, and in such cases what happens, when they try to penetrate, automatically sometimes skin comes forward and it becomes difficult for them to penetrate the vagina, as well as if though that man is having a sexual intercourse with the help of a protection like a condom. When they put on a condom, in such condition they pull back the foreskin and put the condom, and at that time this condom slips off when they try to have intercourse. So it becomes difficult for them to enjoy the sexual life as well as enjoy the penetration. So their sex life is disturbed, and they cannot establish a normal sexual intercourse even after they don't have phimosis. So this is a unique problem which I have seen since 2004. I am practicing, and I have seen many patients who suffer from this problem. Because of this, what happens, they cannot establish a continuous and normal sexual intercourse, and the woman also suffers because of this, because they cannot have a continuous normal intercourse. The penetration becomes difficult. If they penetrate, the condom may slip off, and there is a high risk chance of pregnancy, unwanted pregnancy. So friends, today this issue has been discussed with many of my patients, and they are disturbed because medical speaking, they don't have any problem, they don't have any phimosis like condition, but sometimes what happens, the glans penis is small in size and the shaft of the penis is bigger in size. So if this is a mismatch in some persons, then what happens, the foreskin is unable to stay behind the glans penis. If it is unable to stay behind the glans penis, then at that time there is a formation of bunch of the foreskin behind the glans penis, but the glans penis size is marginally small. That's why what happens, the foreskin again comes forward, and they cannot enjoy the sexual intercourse penetration. Many times the condom also, if they put and try to have intercourse, it slips off. So this issue can be treated perfectly well with a cosmetic circumcision. Cosmetic circumcision is the removing of the extra foreskin which is present on the glans penis, and if it is removed, then that area becomes very clear, and those those patients can have normal penetrative sexual intercourse. So this will be helpful for those patients who have extra bunch of skin. They don't have any problems in the foreskin retraction and protraction, but if the condom slips off, if the foreskins come forward, then it is better way to remove that foreskin, because you are young and you are doing a sexually active stage in life where the sexual satisfaction for the man and the woman is very important. If the woman is unsatisfied, if the man is unsatisfied because of this very small problem, then it is always better to have a circumcision surgery to remove the excess long foreskin. This will help to establish a normal sexual intercourse. The condom, if you are using, it will stay on the penis till the time you are erect. So this problem can be easily solved with the help of the newer modalities of the cosmetic circumcision, that is called as ZSR circumcision, ZSR stapler circumcision. This is the original ZSR circumcision which is started in India at our clinic, Sun Clinic in Pune City in 2015. So this is a paramount importance, though this problem is very small, but still the solution to that is a circumcision, and that too with the help of stitchless and painless ZSR circumcision, which is done under local anesthesia within 5 to 10 minutes, and in 1 hour we discharge the patient. So even if you are from outside Pune, you can easily come for 1 day in the morning, and in the afternoon you can return back. It takes around 10 to 12 days for healing, and normal penetrative intercourse can be resumed after 3 to 4 weeks. So this is a fairly simple problem and simple solution. This is very useful, and I have seen and I have helped thousands of patients to establish a normal marital sex life, penetrative sexual intercourse. That is really gift to those couples who are really unsatisfied because of this very small issue. The foreskin keeps a bunch and the condom slips off, and many times they have unwanted pregnancy. So to sum up, I can tell you, if this problem is happening to you, this circumcision with the help of the latest ZSR, which will reduce all the bunch of the skin, it will be a cosmetic, and the blending of the skin behind the glans penis will be perfect. So the condom will stay there, condom will not fall down, and you can establish a normal circumcision, normal marital sex as well as the penetrative intercourse. If you are interested, you can surely contact us for the details, as well as you can make a free inquiry. We can give you all detailed information, and you can surely visit us for 1 day if you want to solve your problem early in your life, because I have seen many people suffer from this, but the fear of the circumcision in their mind prevents them from taking an active treatment. But let me assure you that because of these new technologies, there is no fear, no pain, and very comfortable during surgery and after surgery also, because there is no rest required. You can do your job or business, you can drive the vehicle. It's so simple. So do consider it, and surely if you want, you can contact us. I will be happy to help. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and share this video, as well as please subscribe to my channel for these informative videos, and let me know how you feel about our videos and the sound quality and picture quality. Anything if you want to communicate with me, do comment, so that I will be able to help you, give you further information. Thank you. Have a great day.